Step into a world where metal bends to the will of innovation. Imagine a workshop buzzing with high-tech machinery, crafting intricate components with unparalleled speed and accuracy. This is the realm of Fast EDM, a revolutionary machining technology developed by Erodex. This is the future of precision engineering. Fast EDM is not just about machines, it's about pushing the boundaries of what's possible. It's about empowering industries to reach new heights of precision and efficiency. Join us as we explore the world of Fast EDM and discover how Erodex is shaping the future of manufacturing. For over 50 years, Erodex has been a leading name in the world of electrical discharge machining, or EDM. From humble beginnings, Erodex has grown into a global leader, renowned for its commitment to innovation, quality, and customer satisfaction. Our state-of-the-art facilities and team of expert engineers are dedicated to delivering cutting-edge solutions that meet the most demanding requirements. Erodex's reputation for excellence is built on a foundation of unwavering dedication to our customers. We work closely with businesses of all sizes, across a wide range of industries, to provide tailored solutions that drive success. Our commitment to innovation has led to the development of Fast EDM, a game-changer in the world of precision engineering. The transformative power of Fast EDM is being felt across a wide range of industries, from aerospace and automotive to medical and tooling. This advanced technology is revolutionizing the way components are designed and manufactured, offering unprecedented levels of precision and efficiency. By utilizing electrical discharges to shape materials, Fast EDM is able to achieve intricate designs that were previously impossible or extremely difficult to produce with traditional machining methods. In the demanding world of aerospace engineering, where precision is paramount, Fast EDM is used to create intricate components for jet engines, landing gear, and other critical systems. The ability to produce parts with such high accuracy ensures the safety and reliability of aircraft, which is crucial for both commercial and military applications. Engineers can now design and manufacture components that can withstand extreme conditions, such as high temperatures and pressures, which are common in aerospace environments. The automotive industry relies on Fast EDM for the production of complex molds and dies used in the manufacturing of vehicles. These molds and dies are essential for creating the various parts that make up a car, from the engine to the body panels. With Fast EDM, manufacturers can produce these components with greater speed and accuracy, reducing production times and costs. This technology also allows for the creation of more intricate and lightweight designs, which can improve the performance and fuel efficiency of vehicles. In the medical field, Fast EDM enables the creation of life-saving devices and instruments that demand the highest levels of precision and reliability. Medical devices such as surgical tools, implants, and diagnostic equipment require exact specifications to ensure they function correctly and safely. Fast EDM allows manufacturers to meet these stringent requirements, producing components that are both highly accurate and biocompatible. This technology is also instrumental in the development of new medical innovations, helping to advance healthcare and improve patient outcomes. Tool and die makers rely on Fast EDM to produce high-precision tooling that is essential for a wide range of manufacturing processes. These tools are used to shape and form materials in industries such as electronics, consumer goods, and heavy machinery. The precision and versatility of Fast EDM make it possible to create tools with complex geometries and fine details, which are necessary for producing high-quality products. This technology also extends the lifespan of the tools, reducing the need for frequent replacements and maintenance. These are just a few examples of the countless industries that are benefiting from the speed, accuracy, and versatility of Fast EDM. From aerospace to automotive, medical to tooling, this technology is transforming the way we design and manufacture components. As Fast EDM continues to evolve, it will undoubtedly open up new possibilities and drive further advancements across various sectors, making it an indispensable tool in modern manufacturing. Traditional machining methods often fall short when it comes to creating intricate shapes or working with hard materials. These methods, while reliable for simpler tasks, struggle with the demands of modern engineering. The limitations become evident when precision and complexity are required, leading to inefficiencies and increased costs. Enter Fast EDM, a cutting-edge technology that utilizes electrical discharges to shape metal with unparalleled precision. Unlike conventional methods, Fast EDM can handle the most challenging materials and designs with ease. This revolutionary approach opens up new possibilities in manufacturing, allowing for the creation of components that were previously thought to be impossible. In Fast EDM, a thin electrode, typically made of copper or graphite, is used to create an electrical discharge between itself and the workpiece. This process is highly controlled, ensuring that each discharge precisely erodes the metal. The electrode does not touch the workpiece, which eliminates mechanical stress and wear, resulting in a smoother finish and greater accuracy. This discharge erodes the metal in a controlled manner, allowing for the creation of complex shapes and intricate details. The precision of Fast EDM is unmatched, making it possible to achieve tolerances within microns. This level of detail is crucial for industries such as aerospace, medical devices, and high-performance automotive parts, where every micron counts. The beauty of Fast EDM lies in its ability to machine any conductive material, regardless of its hardness. From soft metals like aluminum to the hardest alloys, Fast EDM handles them all with the same level of precision. This versatility makes it an invaluable tool in modern manufacturing, where material properties can vary widely. This makes it ideal for working with exotic alloys, hardened steels, and other materials that are difficult to machine using traditional methods. Engineers and designers can now push the boundaries of what is possible, creating innovative products that meet the highest standards of performance and reliability. With Fast EDM, the future of machining is here, and it is more exciting than ever. Fast EDM offers a compelling array of advantages over traditional machining techniques. This revolutionary technology is transforming the manufacturing landscape by providing solutions that are not only faster, but also more precise and cost-effective. As its name suggests, Fast EDM is incredibly fast, significantly reducing machining times and boosting productivity. The speed at which these machines operate allows manufacturers to meet tight deadlines and increase their output without compromising on quality. This speed is coupled with unmatched precision, allowing for the creation of parts with tolerances as tight as a few microns. Such precision is crucial in industries where even the smallest deviation can lead to significant issues, such as aerospace, medical devices, and high-tech electronics. Unlike traditional machining, Fast EDM eliminates tool wear, as the electrode does not come into direct contact with the workpiece. This non-contact process ensures that the integrity of both the tool and the workpiece is maintained, leading to longer tool life and consistent quality. This translates into reduced downtime for tool changes and lower overall production costs. The efficiency gained from less frequent tool changes means that production lines can run more smoothly and with fewer interruptions, ultimately enhancing the overall workflow. Moreover, Fast EDM produces a superior surface finish, reducing or even eliminating the need for secondary finishing operations. This high-quality finish is particularly beneficial for components that require a smooth surface for optimal performance, such as hydraulic systems and precision instruments. The versatility of Fast EDM, its ability to machine virtually any conductive material, further adds to its appeal. Whether working with hard metals like titanium and tungsten, or softer materials like aluminum and copper, Fast EDM handles them all with ease, making it an invaluable tool in diverse manufacturing environments. The benefits of Fast EDM are not just theoretical, they are being realized by businesses across the globe. Leading manufacturers in the aerospace, automotive, and medical industries have reported significant improvements in productivity, precision, and cost-effectiveness since implementing Erodex's Fast EDM solutions. One aerospace manufacturer reported a 30% reduction in machining time for a complex engine component, while an automotive supplier achieved a 50% improvement in surface finish quality for injection molding dies. These testimonials underscore the transformative impact of Fast EDM on modern manufacturing. Erodex is not just a provider of Fast EDM machines. We are a full-service partner committed to your success. Our team of expert engineers works closely with you to understand your unique needs and challenges, providing tailored solutions that meet your specific requirements. We offer comprehensive training and support to ensure that you get the most out of your Fast EDM investment. Our commitment to customer satisfaction extends beyond the initial sale. We provide ongoing support, maintenance, and optimization services to ensure that your Fast EDM equipment continues to perform at its peak for years to come. What truly sets Erodex apart is our unwavering dedication to innovation and customer satisfaction. We are constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible with Fast EDM, developing new techniques, and refining existing processes to deliver even greater levels of precision, speed, and efficiency. Our customer-centric approach drives everything we do. We believe in building long-term partnerships with our clients, working closely with them to understand their evolving needs and provide solutions that help them stay ahead of the curve. Are you ready to experience the transformative power of Fast EDM? Contact Erodex today to learn more about how our cutting-edge solutions can revolutionize your manufacturing processes. Our team of experts is standing by to answer your questions, provide a personalized consultation, and help you unleash the full potential of Fast EDM. Don't just keep up with the future of manufacturing. Lead it with Erodex and Fast EDM.